Today, I want to introduce you to Tteokbokki. This restaurant is located at the Jeongbuk apartment intersection and is highly recommended for foreign friends who want to experience traditional Korean cuisine. It's especially popular among international tourists because of its commitment to authentic Korean dishes and meticulous cooking methods. In Korean traditional restaurants, side dishes are refillable, meaning if you finish your favorite side dishes, you can request more. And here's the best part, it's completely free. This restaurant boasts a menu filled with various traditional Korean foods, making it an attractive spot for foreign visitors. One of its greatest advantages is the unlimited refills of diverse side dishes and vegetable dishes. Diners can freely add as many side dishes as they want, enriching their dining experience. The vegetable side dishes offered here are fresh, flavorful, and healthy options that are loved by many. They provide a chance for foreign friends to enjoy a more abundant and delightful Korean meal. Being able to refill such a variety of side dishes highlights the charm of traditional Korean dining culture, which will undoubtedly appeal to those looking to explore different flavors. Thanks to these features, Tteokbokki provides a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere for foreigners experiencing Korean cuisine for the first time. This is not just a place to eat, but a unique venue to deeply engage with Korea's culinary traditions and culture. First, let's talk about the soybean paste Tteokbokki. This dish is a favorite among foreigners for its comforting flavor, characterized by soft soybean paste and pork. The rich and deep broth of this stew is perfect for those seeking a warm and healthy meal. Next up is the famous soy sauce, marinated crab ganjangaejang, a quintessential Korean dish. The sweet and savory soy sauce marinade penetrates the crab, making it an unforgettable experience for anyone who tries it. It's particularly delightful when eaten with rice, enhancing its umami flavor. Foreigners often find the fresh texture and unique taste of crab to be a delightful surprise, and this place allows them to fully appreciate its charm. We cannot forget the braised short ribs galbichim. This dish features tender Korean beef short ribs slowly simmered in a sweet soy sauce. It's a popular dish that anyone would enjoy. The Korean beef used here is less smelly and more tender, allowing you to savor the natural flavors of the meat better. The set menu Jungsik menu comes with a variety of side dishes, including fresh vegetables, pickles, and well-prepared soybean pastes too, offering an authentic taste of traditional Korean home-cooked meals. Additionally, the menu changes seasonally to ensure that fresh ingredients are always used in the dishes. A personal recommendation is the grilled Dotokkui, which has a nutty flavor that fills your mouth as you chew. It's one of the healthiest dishes that lets you appreciate traditional Korean tastes. The acorn jelly Dotorimuk also has a light and clean taste, making it a great side dish to enjoy alongside the main courses. This restaurant is not only favored by foreign tourists, but has also been cherished by locals for a long time. As a traditional Korean eatery, it offers a unique opportunity to taste a variety of traditional dishes in one place, making it a must-visit during your trip to Seoul. At Tteokbokki, you can enjoy not only the deep flavors of the food, but also the warm atmosphere and heartfelt service.